Time now for the business news. Jamaica has recorded its steepest quarterly economic decline since the height of the Covid-19 pandemic. This largely reflects the disruption caused by Hurricane Melissa. Deirdre Thomas has our story.
Jamaica's economy contracted sharply in the final quarter of 2025 as the devastating impact of Hurricane Melissa disrupted economic activity across multiple sectors. Director General of the Planning Institute of Jamaica, Dr. Wayne Henry, says real value added fell by 7.5% compared with the same period of 2024.
Developments in the goods producing industry. The goods producing industry is estimated to have contracted by 9.3% due to lower output in all four industries: agriculture, forestry and fishing, mining and quarrying, manufacturing and construction. Agriculture, forestry and fishing. Real value added for the agriculture, forestry and fishing industry declined by 12.6%. reflecting the adverse impact of Hurricane Melissa on agricultural infrastructure, crops, and livestock. As a result, there was a downturn in hectares reaped by 18.6%.
However, Dr. Henry says the estimated outturn of 7.5% contraction is better than initially projected after Hurricane Melissa. The social sector, which includes education, health, and housing, recorded the heaviest impact, with damage estimated at close to $726 billion and losses amounting to $19.8 billion.
Accommodation and food service activities. Real value added for the accommodation and food service activities industry was estimated to have contracted by 12%. Preliminary data indicate that stopover arrivals for October to December 2025 was 425,107 visitors, representing a decrease of 40.9%. Total visitor expenditure was estimated to have fallen by 31.9% to US $771.1 million during the quarter.
Therefore, the short-term outlook for the economy is negative.
The projection for January to March 2026 is for a contraction in output within the range of 4% to 6%. For fiscal year 2025-26, the economy is expected to contract within the range of 1% to 2%.
Damage caused by Hurricane Melissa have also increased to nearly 2 trillion Jamaican dollars, which is over 12 billion US dollars. This is equivalent to 56.7% of GDP in 2024 and more than 4 times that of Hurricane Gilbert, previously Jamaica's costliest hurricane in history. The institution does not anticipate a return to year-on-year growth until the October to December quarter of 2026. Deirdre Thomas, TVJ News.
The war in the Middle East, which has disrupted global oil supplies, has resulted in the fuel increased in Jamaica effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 gasoline will be increased by $3.06, and 90 gasoline will go up by $4.50. Automotive diesel will see $4.50 being added to its price, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will also be increased by $4.50. Kerosene will see its price increase by $4.50. The cost of propane will also be increased by $1.63, while butane will go up by $3.06. Each petrol station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. To the stock market now, the JC Index advanced by 1,880 points today, while the Junior Market Index declined by 8 points. The winners include Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Productive Business Solution USD Ordinary Shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Iron Rock Insurance Company, and Omni Industries. The losers include Main Event Entertainment Group, 138 Student Living, Jamaica Variable Preference, Stanley Motor Limited Ordinary Shares, Portland JSX Limited, and First Rock Real Estate Investments Limited USD shares. 22 stocks traded firm. Foreign currency trading ended with banks and cambios selling the U.S. dollar for an average $157.32. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.56. The pound is going for $210.98, while the euro is selling for an average $182.57. And that's the business news. News from overseas when we return.